Looking to boost your car's audio without breaking the bank? The TSF1634R 200W two-way full-range speakers offer a powerful sound upgrade that fits seamlessly into your vehicle. With a 4-ohm impedance, these speakers deliver clear, balanced audio that fills your car with rich tones and crisp highs. One user from the United States shared how the installation exceeded their expectations. They praised not just the sound quality but also the speaker's sleek design, which complements the vehicle's interior perfectly. It's not just about volume, it's about clarity and style working together. What makes these speakers stand out is their full-range capability. Instead of needing multiple components, these speakers cover a broad spectrum of sound frequencies, giving you a well-rounded listening experience. Whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or vocal-driven tunes, these speakers handle it all with ease. The 200W power rating means you get plenty of volume without distortion, even at higher levels. That matters if you enjoy road trips or daily commutes with your favorite playlists. Plus, the 4-ohm impedance ensures compatibility with most car audio systems, making installation straightforward. If you're ready to enhance your car audio setup with something that sounds great and looks sharp, the TSF1634R speakers are worth considering. They bring a noticeable difference in sound clarity and a modern aesthetic that elevates your vehicle's interior vibe. Don't settle for factory speakers that leave your music flat and lifeless. Upgrade to the TSF1634R and hear every detail as it was meant to be heard. If that's you, this speaker set could be the perfect fit to transform your driving soundtrack. Try these speakers when you're ready to experience clean, powerful sound paired with a design that flows naturally with your car's style. It's an easy way to enjoy better music every time you hit the road.